It's Halloween time again. Get ready for some amazing items. The Day of the Dead is our brightest, best theme. This year we have amazing original Mexican art, brighter than ever colors, new fabulous fabrics, pillows, LED frames, tapestries with the Day of the Dead skull. We've got the collectible figurines. Then we have little characters, and they're just amazing. We've got the blood velvet theme, all in black and grays and red, skulls that light up, candle holders, jewel containers, the amazing masks. We've custom-made hats to match the theme. Our vintage-inspired theme, we've got clowns. Yes, clowns. They look totally creepy, amazing. Lampposts, keepsake pieces, and off-white tapestry, kitchen towel, all in a coordinated vintage theme. Darkest hour is the dark side of the rainbow. They're beautiful jewel colors. The oil slick trend has taken over Halloween drinkware, serveware, party goods, and of course decor. Imagine greeting your guests at the door with one of these masks to your dining room for an eerie, creepy dinner. Black magic is a brand new theme this year. Entomology is the study of bugs, and it plays a part of this theme. There are skulls and spiders, there's little jewel boxes, and matching black and gold ribbon to decorate for Halloween. Minnie Boo this year has lots of new characters. We've got ghosts, cats, spiders, and bats, and witches, and anything that children will love. What's Halloween without these enormous, creepy skeleton witches, ghouls? Will really set off your party. Wherever or whenever you're decorating, the 99-cent only store has everything you need to complete your Halloween.